Indiana. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sauk Village, or over Steger, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, East Chicago, Shearville, Hobart, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Linwood, Whiting, and New Chicago. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is NOAA Weather Radio.